everybody, it is I, Richard Blyle, your all-time favorite jerk, here trying out my new recipe. Alright, so this is stolen from a deli, I think a local deli. And I'll tell you the difference is, if you got this from the deli, it would probably be far more artisan than what I made. They would use proper thickness cuts and it would be a lot prettier. This is a little bit open. I used a thick cut bacon. I'm not sure I should have. But this is it. Can you slice it? Oh, I'm gonna. Yeah, you can slice it. Look at that. You see inside of there? The pickle. There we go. The pickle, cheese, hamburger, bacon. Made 6 of these things. I think this would be a great thing to make for Super Bowl Sunday. Give it a try. That's pretty good. Little undercooked. I did it at 400 for 20 minutes. I think it'd be better at 450 for 20 minutes, or maybe even 450 for 25 or 30 minutes. And I was right. Cheddar cheese would have been better. Star wants some. And I'll bet you wish I knew how I made it. Ha 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 ha. Hi everybody, it is me, your all-time favorite. What the hell is up with his hair? Doesn't that asshole ever actually shower? Richard Blyle here with a new experimental recipe for you. This is based on a video I saw, I think from a local deli shop. So I think they're here in Omaha. If I'm stealing this recipe from you, I apologize. But they showed a video on how to make it. It seemed really simple. Seems like a really great maybe Super Bowl day treat. Lots of meat, which is good, and cheese. So I'm trying it. We're gonna see if it works. If it doesn't work, you're never gonna see this video. So if you're seeing it, it worked. Really simple to make, really simple. Let me see if I can get this correct. All right, here's what it is. I'm gonna tell you the mistake that I've already made, so you don't make the same one. Take a hamburger. Now, this is actually buffalo burger, and I'm using pre-made buffalo patties because I usually don't have eggs. Usually when I add like eggs and grain, what do you call it, cornmeal to this, stuff like that, I don't have it. So I'm just using the pre-made stuff because eggs already in there, makes it easy, malleable, and add a slice of pickle. Now here's a mistake I made. I could only make 6 of these, and by playing with raw meat, I've been sticking my finger in this jar, so I may have to throw the rest of these away. I don't know. Take a slice of cheese, put it on top of the pickle. Now, this is an unusual cheese. This is, where is it? Here it is. I don't know if this is going to work. This is Shandoka cheese. I get the feeling plain old cheddar cheese would be better. This is, Shandoka is sort of a combination of goat and cow milk cheese. So it's a little bit like feta cheese, so it may not melt properly. Roll it up. Wrap it in a slice of bacon. And honestly, That's all there is to it. I made 6 of them. I'm going to bake them at 400 degrees for, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. I have 1 slice of bacon left. I'm just going to bake that. 15, 20 degrees. That's all there is to it. So, what I'm going to do is, after this is done baking, I'm going to eat at least a couple of them, 1 or 2, and we will see if it works. But it's pretty good. Lots of cheese. It should be like a little rolled up bacon cheeseburger without the bun. But it's pretty good. I'm already up to 390. We'll see how this goes. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this.